Good day! Welcome to Salit Lumen Center for Personal and Holistic Growth Light Sharing. I am Christian, and my topic today is mental toughness. The biggest strength a person could possibly have is not physical strength, but rather mental toughness. Being mentally tough isn't just being able to persevere one time, but it is being able to do it consistently every single day. Keep in mind that everything do not go in our favor. There are non-negotiable situations, and you need to get it done. Mental toughness is the ability to stay resilient and focused under pressure, overcoming challenges and setbacks without losing motivation. It involves cultivating a mindset that embraces adversity, maintains a positive attitude, and perseveres through difficulties. Mental toughness is built through practice, self-awareness, and discipline, helping individuals stay committed to their goals and perform at their best, even when faced with uncertainty and obstacles. It is not about being unaffected by stress, but rather learning how to manage and thrive in difficult situations. Remember, the road to success is rarely smooth, but by building your mental toughness, you can navigate life's challenges with confidence and emerge stronger on the other side. The toughest challenges often lead to the greatest growth. Thank you so much for listening. This is Salit Lumen Center for Personal and Holistic Growth Light Sharing. In burning, we give light. Everyone matters.